Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to add Honey to your PayPal account in 2025. If you're not familiar, Honey is that awesome browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupons and deals when you're shopping online. Pairing it with PayPal means you can save even more on your purchases without any extra hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Honey extension installed. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, Firefox add-ons, or whatever browser you're using, and search for Honey. Download and install it. It's free and takes less than a minute. Once it's installed, open it up and sign in with your Honey account. If you don't have one, creating it is quick and easy. Just use your email or link it to your Google account. Now, for the fun part: integrating it with PayPal. In 2025, Honey has made this even smoother with updated features. Open your Honey dashboard by clicking the extension icon in your browser. Look for the Payments or Wallet section. There, you'll see an option to connect your PayPal account. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to log in to PayPal securely. Once you're logged in, authorize Honey to access your PayPal info. This allows Honey to check for deals during PayPal transactions. After that's done, you're almost set. Go ahead and test it out by making a purchase on a site that accepts PayPal. Honey will pop up with any available discounts before you confirm your payment. Remember, always double-check the deals to ensure they're legit, and keep an eye on your PayPal security settings for peace of mind. There you have it, folks. By adding Honey to PayPal in 2025, you're unlocking a world of savings on your everyday shopping. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy saving! See you in the next video.